rappers like a nigga wife me. Got another shorty, shit ain't nothing like me, yeah.
About to catch another fight, yeah. Apple bottom make him wanna bite, yeah. I just wanna have a good night. I just wanna have a good night.
He begged me to stay, babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, you just wanna romp. Big boobs in the bus, they pump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend.
You have to show them that you're really not scared. You're playing with your life, this ain't no truth or dare. They'll kick you, then they beat you, then they'll tell you it's fair, so beat it. But you wanna be bad, just beat it. Beat it, beat it. No one wants to beat it, beat it. Cause you be poppin', heard you get it poppin', huh? Why you so obsessed with me? Boy, I wanna know. Lying that you're sexing me when everybody knows. It's clear that you're upset with me. Oh, it's love, baby. It was never enough. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? I can be your sugar when you're feeling for that sweet spot. Put me in your mouth, baby, and eat it till your teeth rot. I can be your cherry apple pecan on your key lime. Baby, I got everything and so much more than she's got. No time to play. I know you think that you know me, but you ain't even seen my dark side. It's as if you own me, so baby, do it right, do me right. We can go all night, we can move back and forth. When you put your body on mine and collide. Met her on the way. Okay, soon as I stepped in the club, I hit up the back, show my niggas some love. Hit the restroom up when I finished to sing some bird I ain't seen in a minute. She's like, thanks, where have you been, honey? What it look like, bitch, kicking this money. Buying more clothes, I look nice, right? You be in that fake shit, and I seen yours twice. Cause I'll be fine without you, babe. All of your friends have been here for too long. They must be waiting for you to move on.
Me, I've been broken before. I've been broken, yeah. I know how it feels to be open and then find out your love isn't real. I'm still hurting, yeah. I'm hurting inside. I'm so scared to fall in love.
For that feeling, both us fighting. Could he try most likely? Trying to see if you can handle the sass. Probably give his ass a panic attack. Sorry if I gave a random erection. Probably thinking I'm a telekinetic. Oh, wait, you a fan of the magic? Poof, pussy like an Alakazam. I heard from a friend of a friend that that dick was a 10 out of 10. Push don't need to hit the top, please, can you feel? Don't come around into my deep body shows. In my deep body shows. Every end is just a barrel.
Hold up, I ain't with that. That will try to get his leg back. Wow, pull up, spin back. Pull up, spin back.
You're so pretty. Maybe you just need to sit for me. Can I get one conversation at least? Shout out to everyone making my beats. You helping me preach. This music's the only thing keeping the peace when I fall into pieces. Look at the sky tonight. All of the stars have a reason to shine, a reason like mine, and I'm falling to pieces. Just dance.